Good afternoon, Huron. I'm Jacob Fryer.
And I'm Andrew Mon.
Huron School Talent Show date has been moved from late May to February 26 at 7 p.m. and will be hosted by the Huron Band. Information about auditions and shows are available from Miss Rithaller in the band room.
Talent show auditions are Thursday, February 4th after school. Audition signs will be outside the band room starting Monday, January 25th.
Bible study will meet this Friday after school in Miss Henderson's room A102.
Seniors, scholarship applications for the Huron Township Rotary Club are now available in the counseling office.
The Quiz Bowl team had a good week this week. On Monday, several first-year members competed on the JV level, winning both their games that they played. They won 185 to 130 over Redford Union and 290 to 80 over Taylor Kennedy. The final two regular season varsity games of the year were Wednesday, and Huron was the winner of both of those as well. Those scores were Huron 260 and Roosevelt 190, with the second game coming down to the last question for a final score of Huron 255 and Carlson 240.
These two wins mean that we finish as the only undefeated team in our league for the year, and the team is now qualified to state tournament in April. Congratulations to the Quiz Bowl team, and we hope to do as well in the league next tournament next month.
Huron Wrestling wins both duels, 67-9 over Milan and 72-9 over SMCC. 2-0 on the night were Owen Zablocki, David Jividin, Nick Phelps, Roger Maddox, Brent Wright, Josh Kovacs, Drake Powells, Stevenson, Carlos Beltran to the 2-0 team. The team is now 9-2 and 4-0 in the league.
That's all for today. I'm Andrew Dwan.
And I'm Jacob Fryer.
Have a great day, Huron.